Hindi ko pa napapakinggan yan.
Anong paborito niyong kape? Sige nga, balik ka dito. Ano? 5, 6, 7, 8.
Caramel macchiato, iced americano, latte or espresso, mocha or affogato.
Parang monotone mo na. Tama yan. Ikaw, Ate Omi. What's your coffee? Secret. Ay! Ito naman, no? Ayan. Let's go!
Don't know why I'm being shy. Nandiyan ka ang puso ko ay di papalagay. Saw your eyes, I can't deny. Pinipilit, nagpipigil na ng ngiti, oh my. Mukhang delikado na naman ako. Bakit ikaw ang hanap ko? Di naman na yata ako. Ang isip ko ngayon nalilito. I can be with you all day long. Di na kaya mawalay sa'yo. Ikaw lang din gusto. Kasama dito. You're my loving you. Cool and sweetest, cool and sweetest, precious me all in you. You're my morning, you're the day feels new. Cool and sweetest, precious me all in you. You're my morning, 'cause I'm addicted to you. I feel empty when you're not with me, baby. You got the flavor, got my heart on this, 'cause you're the cream to my blend. From beginning to end, please you to say to me. Di ko naman madalas sabihin, umanap na daan at tumakbo, matuloy. Kapag ba ang dahilan, sino bang mangilang na kinig sa'yo mga tite? Oh, please stop looking at me. I think I'm falling harshly, just like this coffee, baby. There's me here, it can happen.